Okay, here next type of trap is intercepting traps. Here you can see this is the intercepting trap. This is a special type of trap provided at the junction of a house drain with a public sewer or septic tank. This is a special type of trap provided at the junction of a house drain with a public sewer or septic tank. It is thus provided in the last manhole of the house drain system. Generally, here should write the chamber, okay, not manhole. The trap has an opening at the top called the cleaning eye. Okay, here in case of any blockage is there, then to remove the blockage or for maintaining purpose, when cleaning eye is provided, you can see here. Okay, and maintenance is done. Here also water seal level is get maintained around 75 water seal level is maintained in intercepting trap. Okay, then another type of trap is there, that is nothing but the grace trap or greasy trap, if we can say. Generally, greasy trap is used to remove the grease or oily material from the uh, wastewater. Generally, you will obtain the oily material or greasy material into the wastewater in hotel buildings or wherever restaurants are there, and in that case we have to go for the provision of the grease trap. Here you can see the grease trap which is available, which is constructed in this way. Okay, so whatever platform is there, which is constructed by using the PCC material, and whose grade is kept as 1s to 3s to 6. Okay, that is nothing but the 1s to M15 grade we have to use for the preparation of the base for the grease trap, and whatever walls are there, those walls are constructed by using the brick masonry. Okay, and lining is also required, means finishing is required, that is nothing but the plastering, and for that plaster 1s to 3 mortar uh, is used. Okay, then after that here you can see uh, one wall is also constructed at mid position. Okay, so to maintain the level, and whatever grease material is there to get collected. Here grease trap are provided in large hotels, restaurants, or other industries, providing large quantity of greasy, oily waste with the primary aim of removing the grease content of wastewater before discharging the same into drain, because of if we are going to uh, treatment on the wastewater uh, at the treatment plant, then in that at that place it is quite difficult to uh, bifurcate the greasy content and wastewater content. Okay, so to avoid that, we have to go for the provision of the grease trap in hotels or big restaurants, or wherever we are performing the work uh, uh, related to the grease or oil. Okay, at that place we have to go for the provide it. If the greasy or oily matter is not removed, being sticky in nature, it will induce deposition of solids in the drain, which can cause obstruction to the flow of water in the drain and may finally result in a blockage of drains. Okay, so if we are not going to remove the oily matter or greasy matter from the uh, wastewater, then due to that blockage of the drain will be there. So to avoid that, we have to go for it. And this grease trap is a small masonry or cast iron chamber with a T or bent pipe to serve as the outlet. Okay, by providing the bent pipe or T pipe, we can remove that greasy or oily material. The velocity of wastewater flow gets reduced on entering the grease trap because of sudden increase in area of flooding of wastewater, and this result in separation of oily or greasy matter from the wastewater. Okay, for that purpose, at the inlet only, its rate of the velocity get reduces. Then the greasy matter appears as a floating, which removed periodically with the help of the mild steel drain. Okay, means here uh, generally you know that whatever oily material is there or greasy material is there, it will float on the water surface. So whatever grease trap is constructed, in that grease trap one inlet outlet is provided, and in that now we have discussed about the classification of the traps. Okay, then after that, next point is there, that is systems of plumbing. Here in systems of plumbing, totally four types are there. Okay, uh, or we can say four systems are there. Okay, in that, first one is the single stack system, second one is the one pipe system, third one is partially ventilated single stack system, and fourth one is the two pipe system. Okay, here whatever plumbing system is there, okay, means whatever outlets are there and its a connection, in what manner we are going to provide, whether you are going to provide the single pipe to collection of the all the uh, wastewater from the various units, maybe such as lavatory basin, then after that sink and bathrooms, as well as whatever solid waste is there from WC. Okay, or whether you are going to provide an event pipe uh, to the plumbing system or not, then after that whether you are going to provide separately vent pipes, or whether you are going to provide separately two stacks, okay, or two pipes to carrying the or to collecting the uh, drain or wastewater and solid waste separately. Okay, according to that systems are there. Okay, four systems are there here. First one is the single stack system, second one is the one pipe system, third one is the partially ventilated uh, single stack system, and last one is the two pipe system. Okay, so we will discuss one by one here. Firstly, we are going to discuss about the single stack system. Okay, here in a single stack system, you can see here, this is the vertical pipe. Okay, that vertical pipe we are going to lay on the vertical wall. Okay, by providing the fixtures and fastenings. And to that pipe we are going to collect the outlets from various units such as the laboratory basin, water closet, and sink. Okay, here at different floors, whatever different outlets are there, all the outlets we are going to connect to a single stake only or single pipe only. Okay, then such type of plumbing system is nothing but the single stake system. Okay, and in a single stake system we are not going to provide a separate vent pipe. Okay, here you can see this is the ground floor, first floor, second floor. At each floor, different outlets will be there, and all the outlets are connected to the single pipe or single stake only in a single stake system. Okay, here this is the simplest system in which the waste matter from bath, sink, etc., as well as foul matter from the WC are discharged in a one pipe, one single pipe called the soil and waste pipe. Okay, yes, WP. Yes, WP is nothing but the soil and waste pipe. So, whatever one stake system is there, this is one of the simplest system, and in that we are going to release all kind of discharge, whatever coming from the various units. Okay, and such pipe is nothing but the soil waste pipe, or we can say as a stake also. Okay, this pipe terminates as the vent pipe at its top, and no separate pipe is provided. Okay, at the top surface, its end is kept open, so whatever foul gases and all those things will remove from that opening. Uh, Due to that, we are not going to provide the separate vent pipe in a single stake system. Okay, this single stake system is effective only if the traps are fitted with water seal of depth not less than 75 mm. Whatever traps we are going to fit to the various outlets. In those traps, at least we have to maintain the water seal level of a 75 mm depth. Okay, that we have to take due care. If it is there to each and every outlet, then and then only we have to go for the single stake system. Okay, this is also economical one because of only one pipe is used in this system. Okay, then after that second second system is there, that is one pipe system. One pipe system. Okay, here in one pipe system and single stake system, the difference is there, that is in one pipe system we are going to provide a vent pipe. VP is nothing but the vent pipe, but in a single stake system we are not going to provide any kind of vent pipe. Okay, the main difference in between one pipe system and single stick system is, in one pipe system we are going to provide the vent pipe, but in a single stick system we are not going to provide the vent pipe. Okay, here you can see this is the SWP, soil and waste pipe, and here similar to above figure, here also you can see this is the ground floor, first floor and second floor, and from each and every floor whatever outlets are there, those outlets are get connected to the soil waste pipe. But here one separate vent pipe is provided to carry the foul gases and uh, increased year temperature. Okay, whatever hot air is there, that also get escaped or removed through the vent pipe. And to get it done, whatever outlets are there, its connection is done to the vent pipe. Okay, here you can see in this way, whatever vent pipe is there, to that vent pipe we are going to provide connection to each and every outlet. Here lavatory basin as well as sink, to the water closet and to the basin, all those things are connected to the vent pipes. Through the vent pipe we are not going to carry any kind of solid waste or wastewater. Only we are carrying the whatever fall gases and all those things. Okay, that is the difference. In this system, a separate vent pipe is provided and the trap of all water closet, basins, etc. are completely ventilated. Okay, for getting the ventilation purpose or whatever fall gases are there or hot air is there, that uh, to remove that hot air, for that purpose we are going to provide the vent pipe. Above the other, uh, so that wastewater discharged from various units at different floors can be carried through common soil and waste pipe. The system is considered costlier than the uh, single stack system because of your additional vent pipe we have to provide it, and along with that we have to make the connection in between vent pipe and the various outlets. Okay, then after that, third plumbing system is there, that is single stack system, partially ventilated. Single stack system, partially ventilated, means here in this system, whatever uh, single stack system is there, single stack system, partially ventilated, and whatever one pipe system is there, in that very small difference is there. Here whatever in one pipe system, whatever outlets are there, each and every outlet are get connected to the vent pipe. But in a single stack system, partially ventilated, just only we are connecting the outlet from the WC. Okay, that only we are going to connect to the vent pipe. Okay, and whatever other outlets are there are not connected to the vent pipe. That is the difference. Okay, uh, this is modified from the single stack system and one pipe system. In this system, the waste from solid waste basin, sink, lavatory basin, etc., is discharged into one common soil and waste pipe, that is SWP. Okay, and however, in addition, a relief vent pipe is also provided, which provide ventilation to the traps of water closets only. The traps of the basin etc. are not directly connected to the vent pipe, means whatever ventilation is done to the lavatory basin and sinks through the SWP pipe only, not it is connected to the vent pipe. Okay, then after that, next thing is there, two pipe system. Okay, here two pipes, in two pipe system, uh, uh, we are providing two pipes. Okay, one is for carrying out the solid waste, and the second one is carrying out the wastewater. Okay, that whatever wastewater is there from the sink, basin or lavatory basin, we are going to collect, or we are going to discharge that outlet through the a separate pipe, and whatever solid waste is there from the water closet, for that purpose, to carry that we are going to provide the separate pipe. Okay, and also here to each pipe we are going to provide the vent pipe. Okay, means whatever outlets are there, those outlets are uh, ventilated by providing the vent pipes separately for WC and separately for basin, sink, and lavatory basin. You can see here in this way. Okay, whatever sink, whatever output is there from the sink, lavatory basin, and basin is collected in a single pipe, and whatever output is there from the water closet, which is collected through another separate pipe. Okay, that is the that kind of arrangement is there in a two pipe system. Okay, in this system, separate soil pipe and waste pipe are provided. The discharge from water closet is connected to the soil pipe, while the discharge from bath, sink, lavatory basin, etc. are connected to the waste pipe. All the tracks are completely ventilated by providing separate ventilating pipes. Thus, four pipes are required in a two pipe system. Okay, so this is about the uh, plumbing system. Okay,